Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a math class of class 2. Our today's topic is place value. Let us start. At first we have to know what is place value. The place value means the value of a digit in a number according to its position. Suppose I am writing a number 158. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. So if we say the place value of 8 in this number, here the position of 8 is ones. So we have to multiply 8 by 1. We will get 8. So place value of 8 in this number is 8. Now place value of 5. Position of 5 is tens. If we multiply 5 by 10, we will get the place value of 5, that is 50. 5 tens are 50. Then last digit is 1 here, 1. Position of 1 is 100. So if we multiply 1 by 100, we will get 100. So we can say place value of 1 in this number is 100. Let us solve some questions. Four numbers given here. First number A, that is 5869. This is a number. We have to show the place value of the digits of the number. Here first digit is 9. 9 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in thousands place. So place value of 9 will be 9 ones. It will be equal to, we have to multiply 9 by 1, it will be 9. So we can write here 9. Now place value of 6. 6 is in tens position, so we have to multiply 6 by 10, that will be 60. So place value of 6, we can write 6 tens. This is 60. Now next one, 8. 8 is in hundreds position, so we can write here 8 hundreds. The place value of 8 will be 800. Now next digit 5. 5 is in thousands position, so we can write place value of 5 is 5000. So if we multiply 5 by 1000, we will get 5000. So this will be 5000. First one is done. Now go to the next question. What is the next question? Next question is B. 6000 is a number. Here first digit is 0, that is in ones position, tens position is also 0, hundreds position is also 0, thousands position is 6. Now place value of first digit 0 ones. If we multiply 0 by 1, it will be 0. So you can write place value of 0 ones is 0. Place value of second 0, that is in tens position. So 0 multiply by 10. If we multiply 0 by any number, that will be 0. Or here is, this is the second digit, we can use 2 0 here, 0 0. Now place value of third digit is also 0 here. So this is hundreds position, so we have to multiply 0 by 100. If we multiply, this will be 0. So we can write 0 hundreds. So we can write 0. As this is the third digit, we can use 30. Now the last digit, that is 6. 6 is in thousands position, so we have to multiply 6 by 1000. That will be 6000. So we can write here 6000. I have shown first two. Now I will solve question C and D. Question C. Here first number is 3947. We have to show the place value of 7 in this number. This is ones position, tens position, hundreds position, thousands position. So we can write 7 ones. So if we multiply 7 by 1, it will be 7. Then 4 tens. This will be equal to, if we multiply 4 by 10, it will be 40. So we can write here place value of 4 in this number is 4 tens means 40. Now next one, 9 hundreds. So we have to multiply 9 by 100. If we multiply 9 by 100, this will be 900. So place value of 9 in this number is 900. Now the next digit, 3. 3 is in thousands position, so we have to multiply 3 by 1000, that is 3000. So place value of 3 is 3000. Means we have to write here 3000. Now I have to solve the last question D. The number is 789. Here the ones place is 9, tens place is 8 and hundreds place is 7. So we can write 9 ones. So if we multiply 9 by 1, it will be 9. So we can write here 9. Now 8 tens, as 8 is in tens position, so we can write here 8 tens. So if we multiply 8 by 10, it will be 80. So we can write here 80. Then next one, that is 7. 7 is in hundreds position, so we can write here hundreds. So we have to multiply 7 by 100. This will be 700. So we can write the place value of 7 in this number is 700. Okay, dear students, you have to notice that all the digits I have written following a system. You have to write from the last, then you will come to the left. You will start from right and you will come to the left. Okay, I hope all of you have understood today's topic. Do this question as your HW in your HW copy. You will be informed soon about the submission date of your HW. You will be informed soon. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.